Hey guys, it's Corey here again, and today I want to introduce Six Sigma and Scribe. Two things. So I want to introduce how you can go start your journey on Six Sigma. Simply go to sixsigmaonline.org. Link will be in the comments. And Six Sigma Online, you can do Six Sigma, Lean Six Sigma. You can go by industry certification. They have healthcare, construction, government, manufacturing, all sorts of ways. Same for Lean Six Sigma. And then, of course, you can go to all certifications to look at everything in one fell swoop. They do have an offer here, which is download for free which Six Sigma belt is for you. Feel free to click on that link if it's your first time joining. But the money is right here, free white belt certification. So let's click this link. You can select which you want to begin with. You can choose an industry specific below. Not sure if that's the free one. Let's find out. Call center industry, Six Sigma. It's $0. We're in luck. Okay, so let's go down and see what they have for white belt. Call center, construction, distribution, customer service, e-commerce, engineering, finance, field services, food service, government, hospitality, pretty much all the ones they offer for all of their Six Sigma tiers. So, hey, this is pretty cool. I already have a green belt. I did do Six Sigma Online. It's pretty excellent service. This is no affiliation with them. I just really liked the training that I had. So click free white belt again. Let's sign up for Six Sigma. I've already, of course, have this, so I can't fulfill the whole process here for you, but let's look at the steps. We can come here and say, what is Six Sigma white belt certification? You can click on course details. It's going to walk you through the basic overview of what Six Sigma is. It will provide you with a PDF, sort of like an online textbook in PDF format. We can watch the video here. Let's just start it. So it's going to walk you through basically what they do. And I don't want to get copyright struck, so we're just going to play it up to 10 seconds. Okay, and you can continue that on your own. I will tell you that they do have videos throughout the course, and they are this level of quality. Looks here like they have a limited time discount, $4.99 black belt programs, includes white, yellow, green belt. This coupon seems to be ongoing, so I think I took a very similar offer. I didn't need a black belt. I wasn't going to have that many projects under my belt to complete the black belt, but if you do, this may be an option for you. Let's go back. And by the way, that's an excellent price on that, just so you know. A lot of the online courses through universities or other companies, they start anywhere from, say, $300 up to about $3,500. I've seen them in a much richer price point. Basically, you need to learn the functions of Six Sigma, what it is, how it works, how you can apply it, and the different structures that you can use to evaluate processes and such. So if you don't have the opportunity to undertake those types of projects in your professional practice or even your personal practice, you can opt to join a project and go through that mock project together in this course. So I will let you know that. So again, let's go back to Six Sigma, enroll. And it is very simple. It is $0. I can tell you that it is in fact $0. And the enrollment process is as simple as clicking enroll and proceeding to checkout. If you want to pay for the hardcover book, you can do that, but if you select paperback, it'll give you a different price for the $60 amount. You actually don't need the book. It'll give you a PDF copy. So let's proceed to checkout. Again, I can't fulfill it all. I've already gotten my green belt through this company, but I just wanted to let you know that it is indeed free. So once you get it, you've got it. It is a free course to at least get you acclimated. It is a very, not even a 101, it's kind of like pre-Six Sigma. The white belt introduces you to everything about Six Sigma, how it works, what it's for, and how to use the tenets of Six Sigma. Okay, so I promised a 2 for today. I've gone back to my Google website here. I've gone back straight to the Google URL, and I'm going to click on this little icon right here. And if you look, if I hover over it, it's got Scribe. And I'm just going to show you how I can make something with Scribe today. I've actually got a walkthrough on my channel in another video of how to start with Scribe, and I'll probably be making another one in the next month. So I'm going to click on this little icon, and what it does is it opens up this little box that says, "Hey Corey," and that's me, Creator Corey, and I'm going to start a capture. And my goal is to start a capture to show you how to create or go sign up for that free white belt class on Six Sigma. So this is Scribe. I'm going to click Start Capture. First thing I'm going to do is enter my address. That's sixsigmaonline.org. Scribe Pro is awesome. I had the opportunity to use that in my professional, my day-to-day job. It is wonderful. We use the enterprise level software. It is wonderful. If that is something that you need or want to explore, it's awesome. I highly recommend it. For my current purposes, I don't have the need to go that far with what I create yet. So, all right, so you can see I'm on sixsigmaonline.org. Next thing I'm going to do is click on free white belt certification. We're going to do Six Sigma. We're doing the free option here for just the plain old white belt. We're going to enroll. There's no coupon. It's already free. We're going to proceed to checkout. And then you're going to enter all of your applicable information. I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. I'm going to click place order so it will get that step. And of course, it's giving me the messages because I haven't entered my information. So right now, I'm just going to click complete capture. In the meantime, I'm going to close my Six Sigma. I'm going to pop over here. So, yay, confetti. I love Scribe. I've used Scribe since 2021. I've played around with it. I've used it for small projects. And again, like I said, I used it at work. I was able to introduce it to them at work when we had a project that required a massive rewrite of all of our policy and procedure documents, and it saved a lot of time for the company. So, of course, there's a learning curve for people that aren't familiar, but this makes that learning curve of trying to create a process document so much smaller than trying to teach people to create one from scratch when they've never done so before. Okay, back to what's on the screen. So you can see this is Enroll in Free Six Sigma White Belt Certification. Currently, the Scribe is only visible to me because I haven't shared it or created a link yet. But let's see. It is basically taken through and documented every step that I walked through in the previous portion of this video. So navigate to Six Sigma Online. Click Free White Belt. You can see if it's a hover over here. Click Six Sigma. Now, if I wanted to edit this, you can see here I've got pro features with the screenshot editor. I can also tell you with professional or enterprise level, you can redact information on the screen and you can import other screenshots. However, you can't do that with the basic version. But for a lot of people, that's just fine. So in my case, it's totally fine. If I needed to edit this comment right here, I can surely do that. So in this document, I want it to say Six Sigma or Lean Six Sigma. So let's edit this comment right here. Put that in there. All done. Click Enroll Now. Click Proceed to Checkout. But right here, I need to add a step because I didn't do this step. So you can see it added a number here. This is step 5. I'm going to say, enter your personal information following on-screen prompts. Now proceed to checkout. But you know, there's this option here for the book. Let's go ahead and click add. And let's add an alert. So let's do that. If you need a hard copy, go ahead and add it. Okay. And then click place order. Let's see if we can get a GIF. Ta-da! We'll add another step here. Ready to start your class. All right, now we can say done editing and share. So you can export as a PDF. And I'm gonna pause the video while that does that real quick. All right, let's view document. How cool is that? Enroll in a free Six Sigma White Belt certification. Click Free White Belt certification. It walks you all the way through all of the steps that we did on screen. And guess what? I'll create a link for you below in case you're not ready to start this White Belt program and you want to. You can stick it in your pocket for later. All right, guys, that's all for me today. I will see you later.